Dear sir, hello. In this video I will explain to you the technical settings page in your stickpack machine. From this page you can control all the functions in your machine. Note, all the functions in your machine are double action functions, which mean each function has two working point, start point and stop point, like on, off, 0, 1, etc. All these functions in the machine are working with each other integrately in a certain harmony to ensure the machine job. Now, the reference of all these functions is the main motor degree. As you know, the main motor of the machine is keep rotating, making a circle or circles. Each circle can be divided to 360 degree. The device which is keep rotating, keep tracking, let me say, keep tracking the main motor and determining its instant position is the encoder. So the encoder is an electrical device connected to the main motor, keep tracking the main motor, determining the instant position of the main motor and sending these informations to the PLC. So each function of these functions, when its degree time came, the function will make its job, start, stop, like this. So for now I will explain to you these functions meaning. First of all, the film. The film means the function which pulls the film down, which is the horizontal jaw. So film means the horizontal jaw. The horizontal jaw start on 150. So when the horizontal jaw when the main motor reaches the 150 degree, a command will be sent to the horizontal jaw to catch the packet. Keep catching, pulling the film down till 290, then leave the packets. After that, the cut. I have a knife is located inside the horizontal jaw. On 210 the knife will cut, and on 230 the knife will go back to its place again. Please note the harmony between the functions. For example, the cutting knife cannot make its job while the horizontal jaw is in open state. It must be in closed state, then the knife inside the jaw will cut the packets. So in the range between 150 and 290, in this range the horizontal jaw is in closed state. So inside this range I can see the knife walking between 210 and 230 is included in this range. After that, the vertical jaw set will start making the seal on 5 and go back on 125. Please note that when the vertical jaw will make its seal, the film material must be in a stop state. So from 5 to 125, as you can see, is not included in this range. That means the horizontal jaw in this range is in open state. Okay, open state going upwards, because from 5 to 125 the horizontal jaw does not start to catch and pull. So in this time the horizontal jaw is going upwards in open state and the film material is in stop. After that, the filling start on 165. Why on 165? Because look, the horizontal jaw catch the packet and close the packets, make the seal and close the packets, separate the up sachet then the down sachet. Okay, after that the filling will start to fill the product in the top sachet after the horizontal jaw catch. The mixer I have on the right side, if you can notice, the mixer will start with the filling and keep rotating for 1000 milliseconds if the mixer function is on the operation page. If the mixer function is off on the operation page, then the mixer will keep rotating blindly without stopping. Now the date, the same principle, the date will start stamping, let me say, on 10 degree and keep stamping till 110 and go back. The same thing, when the date printing is being stamped, the film material must be in stop position. So as you can see, it's so much near to the vertical jaw. 10, 110, 5, 125. Now the blowing, you have air blowing mechanism. The blowing will start on 300 and will this mechanism will keep blowing the air for a certain period of time. You can adjust how long it will be keep blowing and when to start blowing. Roll pulling length and length delay. You have a motor which rotate a drum to pull the film material to you. Sure, once you first install the film material in the tubes to have its shape, you have this motor which is not running when the normal production. It just with the first time, this motor just runs in the first time you install the film material on the tubes, on the forming tubes. This motor will work for 250 milliseconds and will wait for 500 milliseconds. So its working principle is rotate, stop, rotate, stop, rotate, stop, rotate, stop. You can change from here, not very important. Level sensor, time 1000 milliseconds. This time is very much important. You know, in the hopper you have a level sensor, keep sensing, let me say, the product level in the hopper. So when I got the product level in the hopper in a low level, this sensor will send a command to the elevator to feed the hopper, and when I get the product level in the hopper in a high level, this sensor again will send a command to turn the elevator off. So as you know, inside the hopper you have the mixers which is keep rotating under directly beneath the level sensor. In order for the sensor not to be confused by the mixers being, so we put this time period. So we are telling the sensor, do not send command if you see something beneath you less than 1 second, because the mixers will move beneath the level sensor less than 1 second. So if you keep seeing something beneath you more than 1 second, then that means this is the product. So then send your signal. The encoder, as I told you, is not a function, it's a reader. Keep reading the main motor degree. The filter photocell is a function, could be turned on or off from this page, from here, which means if you run your machine with a photocell function, if you have registration marks, these black marks on the film material, and you want to determine the length of the packet using the photocell and to keep the let me say the logo in the middle of your packet, you have to turn the photocell. In some designs, the photocell could be confused because of the plenty of the colors on the design itself. So we turn the filter photocell on and we put a value. This means from the 0 degree till this degree, the photocell must ignore every color, each color it sees on its way. This is vacuum. You can, here I have the vacuum, you can determine the speed of the vacuum from here regarding the hertz of the motor. And this function is not included in your machine, it's for our standard program, just this. In the next video I will explain about the filling settings and the step settings. Thanks.